Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
You tell them, cause you make it.
We have carrot seasoned rice.
Almost a fried rice, you know. Sorry, you almost got me. That's why I was quiet.
It's a tongue twister.
Yeah.
Carrot seasoned rice.
Yes.
Now this is something that we make in Jamaica. You can use pumpkin, and the reason why you use the pumpkin is to give it like a nice color. This is a color that you want, a nice yellow color. And that's what the pumpkin will do, but I decided to use carrot. Now, if you guys remembered, I made a carrot fried rice. Was it carrot fried rice? I made a carrot rice that was so freaking good.
Banging.
And Richie made the Barbie fried chicken.
Go check out that video if you haven't seen it.
Now, I don't have an outfit of the day today. You guys know what's going on. We're doing things around the house, so we're just gonna dig right in.
Taste test. Well, you ain't telling what you got in there first, lady.
I am.
Okay, take a taste for it. Hold on, before you talk. I got a big bottle, don't worry about it. I got an extra bottle of it. Done right now. This tastes good already, I even start. And you want up on your side, so I'm gonna put them on your side. You want a napkin?
Yes.
So, what are you talking about?
If you wanna know
This shit is good.
how I prepared this, I do have a video, and I will link it somewhere. And that's how I'm gonna show you how I made my carrot rice. It's the same concept. The only thing I did was I added more vegetable and I added some saltfish. Okay? See, there's chunks of saltfish in there.
AKA codfish. What you got? There you go.
Chunk of saltfish in there.
I'm gonna give him a big bite, even though I took some already. Well, don't worry. You can eat from the spoon. I ain't got no corona. Here.
Wow, this is really good.
Right, put your hand here. Let me see. One time, put it. Go right there. Look at the color. There you go. Seasoned pumpkin rice. Right?
No, carrot rice.
Carrot rice. So, carrot rice. See? That's why I want to say that.
Carrot seasoned rice.
Yeah, that's why I want to say that because I know how to mess it up.
So,
This is good. Buttery.
it's very easy to make this. It's like a one-pot dish, basically. And also, in Jamaica, this is a meal. Use your leftovers, okay?
Here you go again. Family, but you'll be amazed how First Lady made this. I tell you, we're doing something in the house, right? What you made this off of, First Lady? They will be amazed. Let them know, because they think you did this off of what day? What you call it?
I didn't make this on the stove.
Exactly. Let them know. I'm snitching. I'm telling the secret now, because first they talk, I'm telling too.
If you guys remember that video that we did when we made the snacks, remember we fried the cinnamon toast crunch, and we made the popcorn, and we made the dip. You see, every time I start talking, you cut me off.
If y'all didn't see that, go check it out. Cause you gotta check it out.
Stop cutting me off, man.
Go on that.
So that's when we had made all those snacks, and I had a little mini stove. That's what I made this on, because we can't use the stove right now, guys. Beer things are going. Beer things are going at the house, yeah.
You know how it is. You know what I mean? That's how it is.
Oh man, some stuff.
Well, yeah.
Oh.
What?
Sorry, my love. I don't want to cut you off.
Go. You can't cut me off when we're even. Go ahead.
So this meal cost $5. All right. You already have rice in your house. I know you do. You already have onions. You already have green pepper. You might have a bag of carrot. You might not. But if you don't, it's still fine, because that's included in this price. The saltfish, I got it from our local store for $2.50. It's the little bag. It's a bag. The bag of carrot was 89 cents. Round it up to $1. So you're looking at $3.50. And then I got a can of coconut milk. Okay? That's all you need to make this.
This banging
That's it.
meal right here. Cheap and clean. Remember, I always tell you that. And y'all probably say, what the hell? Oh, Pastor not eating no meat. Meat is in here. The saltfish, aka codfish, aka bacalao.
But honey, excuse me. Stop filling me up, man.
Aka bacalao.
But if you wanted to,
Substitute with other
you
different
didn't
stuff.
even have to use saltfish.
Whatever
Okay?
you want in it. That's why it's called seasoned rice. You can put anything you want in there. If you don't eat meat, all veggies, whatever. So we put saltfish because you know I gotta have my. So.
But traditionally, it's made with starfish. But
Yeah.
you can make it with anything
you want.
that you have in your fridge.
Yep.
It's almost like a Jamaican fried rice. You understand?
Yes. So you can put anything you want in it. You don't have to use what we put in here. I just season it up. Put what you want.
I promise you, this is delicious.
This is spectacular. Yo, if it was up to me, I'd have enough chicken and everything. We'd have like shrimp, you know? You could even put shrimp
Yes.
for all my non-meat eaters. You know what I'm saying?
But the trick is you have to have pumpkin to give it that color. But I knew that I wanted to do carrot. So if you want to know how to make this, we have a recipe how to make carrot rice. It's the same exact thing. The only thing I did different was I added saltfish. That's it.
Yep, for me. I appreciate it. First, they put in my order. So what's up, y'all? What's that been up to? I know your day is better than ours. We running around like a turkey and a chicken. There is a chicken with a neck cut off.
A turkey and a chicken?
Yeah, two of them. Hope your day is better than ours. I mean, our day ain't bad. But you know what I mean? We doing a lot of stuff, so we running around like a crazy, you know? You know what I'm saying? So we all over the place. You might see us in your town.
Never know. Let me ask you ladies a question. This is for the ladies.
I'm out of conversation.
Why is it that when you ask your husband for his opinion, like, what color do you think we should paint this? Do you like this couch? Do you like that bedspread? They go, oh, whatever you like. Why?
Why? Because at the end of the day, y'all still gonna do what y'all wanna do. So why?
No, I didn't even think about that, but you're right.
Yeah, you can't catch me. So at the end of the day, y'all still gonna choose what you want. Cause ladies know what they want. A guy can say, okay, I want that color. At the end of the day, they still gonna change it. So what's the purpose of giving your opinion? But
that's not true. You give your opinion all the time.
yeah, I do give my opinion, but at the end of the day, y'all gonna change it. Y'all know what y'all want. It's already in your head to say, yo, this is what I want. Y'all know how the...
That is true.
Where you go?
The frizz?
No, y'all know your decor. How you decor you're in your mind already. Yeah.
So, after it's all said and done, do you think that what you had in mind would have been better than what I had in mind?
No.
This is just
No.
figuratively
No,
speaking.
I mean...
Because, let me tell you something, guys. If it was up to Richie, we would still have the same couch that we had 15 years ago.
Damn right. Cheap and clean. Damn right.
That ain't gonna work. Okay? Not gonna work.
At the end of the day, my money is first lady money, but first lady money is not my money because first lady's not giving no money. But at the end of the day, you know, ladies know what they want. That's it. Simple like that. Straight
That is
out.
true.
Period. So, what do you guys think about that, lady? But sometimes
you're like, sometimes Richie's adamant, like, no, this is what I want. Yeah. And I'm like, well, all right. I've had 99 things that I wanted, so.
Enough. I'm talking my things here. You get enough. Family, I just don't like colors that get dirty too quick.
He wants black. He wants everything to be black.
That's my issue. I don't like colors that just get dirty quick. That just piss me off. what I'm saying?
But that's a question. Do you clean it?
Who clean it? Who do you clean
Do
it?
you clean it?
Who clean it?
No, you don't.
All right.
So I don't know what you want to buy it for.
Who clean it? Yeah?
Do you clean it?
But you clean the damn floor here.
Family member, he complained if rich, everything in this house would be black. It's up to
Damn
Richie.
right. You see me a black person.
Black.
See me black.
So you racist against colors.
Everything gonna be black because I'm black. Damn right. But just don't limit yourself to one thing. Have options.
Did you get sawfish?
I'm not sure you be able to mess with those.
Oh yeah? I had a lot of sawfish on my side. Oh.
You see, they helping us eat. Well, yeah.
I hope they're enjoying it because it's good.
That's it. It is good. Soft, buttery. Master.
It's really good. I added some butter to it too.
So, family, like when you're doing stuff in your house or your apartment, whatever, and somebody doing it, do you inspect it as they go? we coming like, where's
Vouchers.
Waldo? Vouchers. Where's Waldo? You know you can't find Waldo. You remember where's Waldo? But you find us video like this, like scalpers. We gotta make sure everything is right. Because you know why? At the end of the day, you're paying your money. We didn't want to do it, so
we've been there, done that.
We've been there, done that. Now it's time for, you know what I mean? We just want to relax.
But
Is it birthday? You need hand? This hand is gifted. First lady is good with her hands. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Okay? I mean, if first lady put her mind to something, she gonna do it. You know that show that's called AG? What's it called? AGTV?
HGTV.
That's all she watch. She will fix up from now till tomorrow.
I have to. Let me tell you something. I don't care who's doing what. Whoa!
God, yeah, you have to look back over there. God,
Yeah, man. Where
wow. The catfish. That one, the seasoned rice. Nice one.
Tastes good, man.
Damn, excuse me. But yeah, what you gonna say? Got the bells coming in. What you saying?
I was gonna say, when you're paying your money, you want to make sure that you're inspecting it. Don't make them feel
They're obligated.
like they're doing you a favor. You're not doing me a favor. I'm paying you. So if I don't like it, you gotta fix it.
And they're gonna fix it. So first they're gonna play that shit.
My thing is, if you don't fix it, no, if you do something and I don't like it and you don't fix it, it's gonna be a problem. So you need to fix it.
Yep.
I'm full.
Yep. So we be here like an Inspector Gadget. So we just busy and we just run up around, you know what I mean? Word of wisdom, Pastor Rich in the building, you know, right? What I got for y'all today. Family, First Lady. The best part about life, question. Every morning you have a new opportunity to become happier version of yourself.
That's true.
You heard? I'm gonna say it again. Excuse me.
You hear that, honey?
The best.
Every day
Yes.
you have a new opportunity.
When I tell you, when I read a word, you're gonna stop asking me if you're here, all right?
Because I'm hoping that you're picking them because it applies to you too.
I chew word for you.
Can't throw work on you because we follow that every day. You even follow that.
I follow my shit every day.
Yeah.
Family.
Right?
Family.
Yo!
Family. Family. The best part about life, question. Every morning you have a new opportunity to become happier version of yourself. I'm always happy till First Lady piss me off.
Look at that. Richie will be sitting down.
Yeah.
You're chatting on now. Richie will be sitting down, playing his game or on his phone. And this is Richie's face. And I said, honey, you smell shit? And he's like, no, why is the one to your face? Or your face makeup, sir? Richie be like this. And I'm like, and then I would look at the video, and it's a funny video. So I'm like, what the hell? Yo, man, you're weird.
You're weirdo. Family, this was delicious. Not capping, son. First I ate up all the rice.
I'm full. So full.
When First Lady said she full, she whole.
But this is like a good little, you know?
It's good. It's
If
good.
you have leftover vegetable, leftover ham, throw it in there. That's why it's called seasoned rice. Just throw everything in there and call it a day. Some people call it one pot meal, or
Yeah,
you know. But this is like the Jamaican version of fried rice, but we call it seasoned rice. So
we appreciate y'all. We share the famous carrot rice season 2. Right?
get it.
Season 2. Right? So don't forget to comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And there you are, First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
I'll go on my second job now, run some game. 2 p.m.